The aim is to make money from different parts of the world, or at least be making money from different things as a lady or as a guy or as a human who doesn't like to make money. So for that reason, I am going to be sharing with you all today how you can actually make money from our brand SBT, shaped by Tovia. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. Hey beautiful people, welcome back. It's your girl Eseosa Tovia, back again with another exciting video. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. And if you are here to subscribe, please do that right now. Thumbs up this video, leave me a comment of what you like about this video, and also turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to receive all the notifications once we upload a new video. So beautiful person, beautiful people, everyone watching this video today, we are going to be talking about how you can actually make money from Shaped by Tovia. From not even doing anything, you can actually start making money. So today I am going to be introducing you all to how you can actually make money. But before we dive into the way you can actually make money from my brand, so I'm going to just introduce our brand to those that don't know about it. So Shaped by Tovia is a body enhancement brand. So basically everything that has to do with body enhancement, it could be enhancing your boobs, enhancing your butt, enhancing your hips, gaining more weight or losing weight. We actually deal with everything in that area, even getting the flat tummy. We have got you. So this is what our brand actually does, and we have been in the business for quite some time now, and everything has been going well. We've got so many amazing reviews from people. We've got so many returning customers, and this is what we feel, yeah, you guys should also be earning money from what you love doing, from gaining weight. So this is our most selling product, which is our weight gain herbal syrup. It's very popular for weight gain. So if you struggle with weight gain and you are a guy or you are a female, this product got you, because it is for male and female. So don't be scared. If I use this product, I'm going to end up with big bum bum. It's not going to be like that for you, okay? So as a guy, you can use it, and as a girl, you can actually use the product to gain weight, guys. So how are you going to earn money from this product, from us, from Shaped by Tovia? So you can actually do this through affiliate marketing. Amazon does affiliate marketing. A lot of brands out there are doing it. TubeBuddy, so many brands out there are doing affiliate marketing. So for those that doesn't know what affiliate marketing is, with affiliate marketing, you can actually make money by telling other people about a brand you love, about a brand you've used, about a product you've used. You telling other people about this product and sharing your links to them. Once they use your link, you get a commission. It can be 5% commission, 7% commission, 10% commission, 12%, even more, guys. So we have introduced our own affiliate marketing because a lot of you love our brand, a lot of you have used it, and this is 2023, guys. It is good to be making money. You can make money from different areas, and this is just one of them. So how do you actually register for this affiliate marketing? We are currently giving out 10%. So for every purchase, anybody that purchase using your link, this is a link that is going to be customized for you. I'll show you guys how you're going to be getting that link. So anybody that uses your link, you actually make money. So if somebody buy our product now for £35.99 and they use your link to get to our website, and then they purchase using your link, you automatically get 10% from that money. So if the person put our normal 10% discount code and then the price goes to £32 something, the person pays that on your own account, you will get a 10% of that money that the person has spent. So the more they buy, the more you earn. So that is it for the 10% discount. So how does this work? How do you actually get it? So if you go on our website, if you just give me a moment, I'll get my laptop this time. So if you go to our website, open your Google, open your Chrome, open Safari. You can use your laptop or you can use your phone. Both of them works fine. So go online and go to www.shippedbytovia.com. So once you get there, guys, always remember to read the announcement tab. What is this announcement tab? Is the first pink tab that you're seeing on top. Okay, currently we wrote there our affiliate program is now on. We just introduced it. Time for you to make more money with 10% commission. Wherever you are, we don't even need to know. We don't really know. All we know is there's someone out there making money from us. So click on affiliate link in the top menu to register and gain 10% commission whenever someone uses your affiliate link. So how do you actually register? How do you get this affiliate link? So if you go on at a page like we already are, you can see on the top menus, you can see home, catalog, contact, and affiliate. So if you click on the affiliate, it will automatically take you to the registration form. So the other way you can actually access this discount is to actually scroll down. Okay, so when you scroll down, okay, just keep going, and then you can see over here those little tabs that you're seeing, those little menus. You can say join our affiliate program. You can also click on that. It will take you to the menu. So I'm gonna go back up and just use the one up because that one is quicker. So if you click affiliate, it's just gonna load. And then it's going to bring you to this page where it says shipped by Tovia, join our affiliate program. So right here, you can see the benefits, what you're going to be gaining from joining this program. You get cookies for 30 days. Commission type is percentage of sale. Commission amount, you get 10% for every purchase the person is going to be making. Additional terms, you will get 10% commission on total referral sales. So we also have referral sales as well, and this commission when a customer makes a purchase through your affiliate link or use your coupon code. There's also a coupon code. For now, we are sticking to the affiliate link. So what does this do? You need to fill this form. So I'm just going to use my name as an example. So my first name, you put your first name, you put your last name, and then you put your email address and you create a password. So I'm going to create a password. So once you're done creating that password, you need to click on the part where it says I am not a robot, and then just let that click. Then you need to pick whatever it asks you. It's telling me to pick traffic light, so I'm just picking the traffic light and then click on next. It says bicycle. I need to pick the bicycle. So just to confirm a human being. So once you do that, you click on join. Now, once you click on join, it says, thank you for signing up. We have sent you a verification email. Please check your inbox and click on the link. Make sure to check your spam box or promotion box as well. If you have not received the verification email, click on the button below to resend the verification email. So make sure you check your email address. If you haven't received it, you can click on resend email. If you just bear with me, I'm going to log in my email address and just come back, okay? So I'm now logged into my email. So the email you're going to receive, the first is you're going to receive two different emails. The first one is going to carry the shipped by Tovia and then your name, and then it's going to tell you hello by your name. Thank you for registering for our affiliate program. We are currently reviewing your information and we get back to you soon. When your registration gets approved, we will inform you via email. Please keep an eye on your mailbox for more updates from our team. Warm regards. Okay, so the second email you are going to receive is going to say you need to verify your email address. If you don't verify your email address, you will not be approved. So you're going to scroll down and just click on the part where it says confirm your email address. So that is all you need to do to verify your email address, and it's going to tell you your email is verified. You cannot log in. So when it says login, this is you logging into your affiliate program, your affiliate account. Okay, so you're going to just use that same email address you used Again, you can actually do this on your phone, guys. Please know you can do this on your phone. You're gonna click you're not a robot again, because we are logging again and we are not robot, and then you're gonna click on login. So once you have logged in, you get to see your dashboard, you get to see your account, you get to see that your 0 pending commission, you get to see 0 approved, 0 paid. Any amount you pay, you get to see everything here. So once you approve, I'm just going to show you guys how it's going to look. So when your application isn't yet approved, you can see on the head it's going to say inactive. So once it says approved, it's going to come up as active. So your name and then active is going to come up. So once you scroll down, this is your page. Whenever you're paid, it's going to come up as the amount you're paid. Whenever anything is approved, whenever anything is pending, you get to see everything over there. Okay, so right here you see this place where it says default affiliate link. This is a link you cannot change. Once you tell anybody about our product, you tell anybody about us, what you need to do is to copy this link. You need to copy this link. Once you copy this link, this is the link you're going to be sharing to people. This is the link you'll be sharing to anyone you are referring, anyone you're using. You need to share this link to them. And once they purchase using this link, like they click on this link, it's going to bring them to our website. I'm going to just put it on this page so you can see what the person will see. I'm going to copy and paste it. Okay, so once the person uses your link, you see it brings them straight to our website. Once it brings them straight to our website and then they purchase something, you will automatically receive a commission. You will see on your dashboard that someone has purchased using your link, and then this is when you're going to be paid. You will need to pull your payment details, guys. You go to the part where it says payments. Once you go to the part where it says payments, this is where you will be seeing all the payments, all the money you've received. If anybody has used your link, when you will be paid, this is where you get to see it. Now, to put your own payment details, to put your bank account, because we do pay by PayPal, this is the page you need to fill. You need to fill this page, fill all of these details, fill your address, everything here. And then the part where it says payment, you need to click on the payment. Once you click on the payment, it says no payment added. You need to add a payment here. Okay, no payment method set. So you need to click there, click on PayPal, put your PayPal email address, and then you save the changes. So I'm just going to put my PayPal email address. 1 second. Okay, and then you save changes. So whenever someone uses your link, then you will receive a payment in your PayPal, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can actually set up this account, this affiliate marketing for yourself, and then you can start earning money. So what you need to do next, you click on the link on the description box. The link on our description box will take you straight to our website where you're going to register for this affiliate marketing, or simply just type www.shadebytovia.com. It will take you straight to our website again for you to set up your affiliate link and then start making money. So how are you going to make money using this affiliate link? It's very easy, guys. Tell people about our weight gain syrup. Tell them how it helps you, how you use it, how much weight you gain. Once they see it in you, you've gained the weight, they will obviously come for it. If you have a TikTok account, promote your link on your TikTok. Tell them how you gain weight. Let them click on the link to come purchase. If you have a YouTube account, tell your subscribers, tell your fans about us. Tell them about the product you use to gain weight. Drop the link there, let them come through that link, and then you can make money from there using it. Please note, they don't get to be charged anything extra. They don't get any charges. You too, you don't get any charges. Nobody is charged. Everything is normal. It's just you making money from people using your link. They will not be charged anything different. They will not be charged any new payment. It's just the usual payment for the product. They will still be charged as normal. And then if you have an Instagram account, talk about the product, share your link, and then let people come through your link to purchase. So there's so many ways you can get people to use the link to purchase, and then you're making money. So I thought this is a way I can actually help you all out there who have supported our brand to also make you guys make money back from helping us make money. So this is my way of helping you guys. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you do register for the affiliate marketing. If you do have any questions, you can just use our chat icon on our page to chat with one of us, or talk to me on Instagram, or use our contact information to get to talk to us. Leave all of your questions. We don't need to know who you are. All we know is you're gonna be making money from us. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.